Hello and welcome guys to Techcode. Wait. First of all, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to click that red subscribe button. And now, what will be there in today's video? Most probably you will be knowing that what is to be there in today's video, but still, let me clear you that what is to be there in today's video. Today, I will be showing you how to generate or how to create an adaptive icon in Android Studio itself, and that's so easy and so simple. And for that, watch the video till end. And now let's start the video. Right now we are in Android Studio, and what we want to do is to create or we want to generate an adaptive icon in Android Studio. And for that, we will have to go in files. In the top left corner at the cursor you can see, and in that new, and in that you have to select image asset. After selecting image asset, you will be getting a pop-up like this. And be sure that in icon type, you have selected launcher icons, adaptive and legacy, because after selecting this only, you will be able to create an adaptive icon. And now let's give it a unique name. The number can be any, it should just be a unique name. And now in asset type, if you are in image, as I came right now, you have to come in clip art. And after that, you can see at the cursor, this is the icon. Simply click on that and you will be getting a number of icon after clicking on that, and it depends on you which one do you want to create. I have selected a count circle right now just for the video, and now that's okay for me. And at the right side you can see that this all are the different versions of the icon I will be getting after creating this icon. And now you can edit anything you wanted to do with your icon, but right now this is not a video to edit icon, this is a video to create icon. So we will proceed, and you can see that this is the location where our icon will be stored, and the location is in resource folder, and in drawable you will be getting this icon. Let's finish this. Let's see whether it is there or not. In resource and in drawable, yes, the name of our icon was IC Launcher 53 and it's stored in this only. Let's see how our icon looks. 1 second, it's the black color, so let me change so that it can be visible to you. Let me change it to white. And yes, at the right side you can see that our icon is ready and it's good. And now my job is done, the rest is to be done by you, and your job is that if you found this video helpful, please like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel in Techcode.